Imagine if you could tap into your potential and elevate your professional life to new heights. It's not only about identifying your strengths, but also about improving them. Exciting, isn't it? Today, we delve into the power within you, your professional strengths, the unique assets that set you apart in your field. But first, let's debunk a common myth that strengths are innate, unchangeable. Quite the contrary, your strengths can be honed, amplified, and even transformed. They're not set in stone, but rather they're like clay, malleable and ready to be shaped by experience and effort. The journey to discovering and enhancing your professional strengths is a thrilling one, filled with insights and revelations. It's not always straightforward, but the rewards are immense. Think of it as a treasure hunt, where the treasure is your untapped potential. By the end of this video, you will have a clear path to discover and enhance your professional strengths, setting you up for success. So, what's the most commonly used tool to identify and improve your professional strengths? It's the SWOT analysis. Now, you might be thinking, SWOT sounds like some kind of military code, but don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's a simple yet effective framework that helps us understand our capabilities and areas for improvement. Let's start with strengths. These are the things that you excel at or the unique resources you have at your disposal. It could be your exceptional communication skills, your knack for problem solving, or perhaps your vast network of industry contacts. Next, we have weaknesses. Yes, we all have them, and it's important to acknowledge them. Weaknesses are areas where you could improve or things that pose a challenge to you. Maybe you struggle with public speaking, or perhaps you're not so great at time management. That's okay. Recognizing these weaknesses is the first step towards improvement. Then we come to opportunities. These are the external factors in your environment that you can exploit to your advantage. Maybe there's a gap in the market for a product you can develop, or perhaps there's a growing demand for a service you're skilled at. Spotting these opportunities can give you a competitive edge. Lastly, we have threats. These are external factors that could cause trouble for you. It could be a changing market trend, a tough competitor, or a potential downturn in the economy. By identifying these threats, you can develop strategies to mitigate them. Now you might ask, why is this SWOT thing so effective? Well, it's because it forces you to look at yourself and your environment from different angles. It helps you understand not just your capabilities, but also your challenges and how you can overcome them. The SWOT analysis is a powerful tool, but only if you utilize it correctly. Remember, it's not just about listing your strengths and weaknesses. It's about understanding them and using this knowledge to your advantage. Now you might be wondering, what's in it for me? The benefits of self-improvement are manifold. Imagine the potential for increased productivity when you're functioning at your best. You're not just working harder, but smarter, leveraging your strengths to achieve more in less time. And it doesn't stop there. Think about job satisfaction. When you're consistently playing to your strengths, work is not just a chore or a means to an end, it becomes a source of fulfillment, a platform for you to excel and make a difference. Consider also your career prospects. As you hone your strengths, you become more valuable and attractive to employers. You distinguish yourself from the crowd, opening doors to opportunities that were previously out of reach. By identifying and improving your professional strengths, you're not just enhancing your career, you're improving your life. The journey of self-improvement is a rewarding one, and it starts with you. So, how can you start this self-improvement journey? It all starts with a plan. First off, conduct a SWOT analysis. This means identifying your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Look at your professional abilities and areas you excel in. That's your strengths. Identify areas where you struggle. Those are your weaknesses. Opportunities could be anything from a new project to a potential promotion, and threats are obstacles that could hinder your progress. Next, set clear, achievable goals. These goals should directly address your strengths and weaknesses. For instance, if public speaking is a strength, you may aim to lead more team meetings. Then, seek feedback from colleagues, superiors, and mentors. They can provide valuable insights into your strengths and areas for improvement. Finally, commit to learning and development. Attend workshops, read books, or take online courses to enhance your skills. Remember, the journey of self-improvement is a marathon, not a sprint. Start today and you'll be amazed at where you'll be tomorrow.